Welcome to our third video in the Prime-HRM series. Today, we'll explore the Learning and Development HR system, a critical element in building a competent and efficient workforce in public service. Before diving into learning and development, let's briefly recap the four core HR systems. First, recruitment, selection, and placement RSP. Second, performance management PM. Third, learning and development L&D. Fourth, rewards and recognition R&R. Each of these HR systems play a vital role in creating a cohesive and effective HR management. According to Administrative Order No. 2021-2007, or the Guidelines on the Integrated Learning and Development Management System of the Department of Health, the development and retention of a competent workforce in public service is a primary concern of the government. The Department of Health recognizes that its human resources are its most important asset. Thus, they are committing to ensure quality training and development at all levels. So, what is learning and development? Learning and development, or L&D, is all about helping employees grow their knowledge, skills, and abilities through training and education. This is crucial for ensuring we give the best care to our clients. Let's take a look at the specific guidelines for our learning and development system. First, the HR will conduct a Learning and Development Needs Assessment, or LD&A, using a prescribed competency framework for each position. This assessment will include every staff member, including permanent, temporary, job order, contractual, and coterminous employees. The LD&E shall be administered every 3 years if there is no movement in rank and position. However, for those who have been promoted, reassigned, or appointed to another position, they shall retake the LD&A based on their current position. Next, the results from the LD&A will be compiled into an annual staff learning and development plan. This plan will prioritize the most important training areas based on the assessment results and will be submitted for approval to the Health Human Resources Development Bureau HRDB at the central office. It's important to understand the different types of competencies we focus on. Core competencies are essential skills and abilities that every employee should possess regardless of function, such as exemplifying integrity, professionalism, and service excellence. Organizational competencies are specific to our organization and reflect our values and culture, including effective communication skills, effective interpersonal skills, organizational awareness and commitment, and promoting innovation. Leadership competencies are necessary for those in management roles, focusing on skills like building collaborative and inclusive working relationships, leading change, managing performance and coaching for results, and thinking strategically and creatively. Finally, technical competencies relate to specific job-related skills, such as medical knowledge, data analysis, dormitory management, and others. After the Learning and Development Needs Assessment, the HRMO and training specialists will analyze the results to identify specific learning gaps within our personnel. This step is crucial for tailoring our development interventions effectively. They will then draft the Learning and Development Plan, or LDP, outlining strategies to address the identified needs and set clear goals for personnel development, which will be reviewed and approved by the Management Chief of Hospital 3. Following this, the HRMO and TS will prepare a tentative annual list of priority personnel for learning and development interventions based on the finalized LDP. This list will prioritize critical training needs while considering budgetary constraints, ensuring effective resource allocation to achieve the best results. If employees are interested in specific training opportunities, they are encouraged to communicate with the training specialist to discuss available budget and assess whether the training aligns with their development needs. Learning and development initiatives at DTRC Caraga encompass three main types of programs: formal, non-formal, and informal learning. Formal learning includes structured educational courses offered by academic institutions, such as degree programs and professional certifications. These courses are typically comprehensive and provide recognized qualifications. Non-formal learning consists of organized training sessions, workshops, and seminars. This type of learning is often conducted in-house or through external providers and focuses on specific skills or topics relevant to our personnel's roles. Informal learning occurs through everyday experiences, such as on-the-job coaching, knowledge sharing among peers, or job rotation. This type of learning is often unstructured, but is essential for practical skill development and real-time problem solving. The evaluation of LDIs at DTRC Caraga involves several key steps. First, we use a feedback and evaluation form to assess participants after a learning intervention. Feedback is gathered from both the participant and immediate supervisors, ensuring a comprehensive understanding of training impact on performance. This feedback is then discussed with personnel, providing them with insights for improvement. Additionally, the HRMO and TS updates employee records and prepares consolidated monitoring reports, which help us analyze the effectiveness of our interventions and inform future training initiatives, fostering a culture of continuous improvement. Thank you for watching our overview of the learning and development process at DTRC Caraga. We believe that by investing in our personnel's growth, we can achieve greater success together.